Hey guys, this is Gary back with another review for you today. Today, I'm going to do a review for you on my new iPhone 15 Pro. Guys, you're going to love this thing. It is already out of the box. I've already taken it out, but this is my box. And here is my iPhone 15 Pro, guys. I tell you what, I just love the feel of this thing. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a titanium casing, but I love the feel of this thing, guys. Now, this is a camera lens cover. It's aftermarket. It does not come with the product, but I do recommend before you take your iPhone out of the box, you already have your lens cover and your case cover ready to put on there. You want to protect your investment. Do not take a chance on dropping your investment, because that's what it is. Guys, listen. Look at the smooth ends of this iPhone. It's not square anymore. It's common. They're rounded. But yeah, this is really, really nice. I really like the feel of this thing, guys. And there's your new USB-C port. Okay, it doesn't have the lightning port anymore. Your speakers down there. Guys, I tell you what, there's no silent switch. It's a button now. Okay. You are going to love this thing, guys. I mean, I've had a chance to play around with it. I'm still going through it, seeing all the new stuff on there. But guys, I tell you what, I am pretty satisfied with my purchase. Anyway, that is your review on the iPhone 15 Pro. You guys make it a great day.